Hi, in this video I will show you how I design furniture from a scratch before I create 3D model of dining chair in Archicad. So, keep on watching until the end of this video. Hi, is it your first time here? Do you want to learn 3D modeling and realistic rendering? Please click like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified for new uploads. If you learned today, leave as a comment. Let us know if you need to see more furniture design drawing aside of architectural. We have a regular upload video on architectural every Friday and furniture topic every Monday. So, mark your calendar for this days. Give us a like and subscribe to support our channel. Hit the bell button to get notified for new creations. See you on next video.